Oh yeah, friends and fam, welcome back to another episode of Captain Coleslaw Outdoors. And it is cold. It's 22 degrees Fahrenheit right now. When you take into account the wind chill, we're looking at probably 15 to 16 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. But today, Killer G and I are going to do something a little bit different. So we're still waterfowl hunting, and we're getting close to the end of goose season. So there is a 4-week February Canada goose season here in Pennsylvania in order to help take out some more of these resident birds who are becoming a little bit overpopulated. But the big thing about this hunt is we're hunting birds that are what we call in the waterfowl hunting world stale. They've been hunted, they've been educated, they're weary, they're tired, they're sick of being chased, and their behavior has changed 100% from the beginning of the season to now. So what Killer G and I are about to do today is something wildly different and very different compared to what I am used to in the goose hunting realm, which is we are going on a urban Canada goose smackdown. We're going to take a canoe out on the local river system in this fairly populated town that I live a couple miles from. And we're going to float the river and exploit some Canada geese that are essentially hiding from the hunting pressure. So early in the year, geese were very predictable. They were moving from food to loaf to roost, and it was basically a big triangle. But in the late season, these geese are just trying to survive and make it through the last month of the season before they start worrying about the breeding season. So what we see is a ton of birds out here in the local river systems that run through these urban towns because they do not get any hunting pressure whatsoever. It takes a few crazy lads to go out after these geese in the cold temperatures on the river in town. But that is exactly what Killer G and I are going to do. So I'm about to meet up with Killer G here in town. We're going to talk more about how to shoot some city slickers. Canada goose form. Attaboy. Bandit! He brought the dump truck. Let's go. Hey man.
How we doing, buddy?
We're doing.
So, there's two places we could go. We could go to, we can either do that, or we can cut through is like a Hyde Park, like borough.
Yeah,
property.
I know exactly that is.
You know what that is?
Yeah, let's just
go there.
I was gonna say let's just do it.
Okay.
So I'm following Killer G out to the spot where we're gonna leave my truck and then we're gonna drive back up and take his canoe downriver. But I'm noticing on the river that there is just a stupid amount of ice that I am not normally used to seeing on the river systems in here. I'm not checked out, but I'm definitely gonna get his opinion on that stuff. Because, you know, again, you don't mess with the water. The water will kill you if you got the wrong, temperature and combination to deal with. But this is kind of sketchy, I'm not going to lie. We'll see what he thinks when we get there.
There's so many honkers on that river right now.
Oh, dude, right there, there's a pile of them. There's at least
30 right there?
easy.
And there's another 15 here.
I saw. Does the ice concern you at all?
Doesn't concern me because it's flow. flowing with it, so we're just kind of flowing into it.
Fair enough.
I mean, you can tell most of it's slushy, so like we're gonna hit into it, it's just gonna float.
Yeah, right.
I mean, obviously there's sections we can't go to because there's thick ice. We're gonna stay out of those sections, but in the current, it's not a problem.
Yeah.
Dude, we're gonna kill those birds right there.
Yeah, we're gonna murder them.
Like that, I honestly don't give a crap.
Yeah, that's fine.
They're not gonna care.
Nope.
If anything, they'll be like, yeah!
How nice it'd be to kill some bands out of this group.
Oh, there's so many holes. Oh,
Dude, I was
Let's just go across right now.
I was gonna say, why would we even go all the way up? We could literally go right up there and kill 5 birds right here. If there's a way in there.
God, dude, we can limit. We might.
We gotta be smart, and I honestly think why break a broken wheel? Let's just try to get in like 300 yards above these birds. There's gotta be somewhere that we don't have to go all the way up. Because look at all, the birds are all right here.
If you want to fix that.
I do. Calories are everything in the cold. Dude, we're gonna kill geese out of a canoe in the ice via dump truck. Love it. Late season.
They just wander by. Sleepers, bro. They won't even see us coming.
Here's our geese. You just want to shoot them?
I wish. I'll
Any
film
bands? If there's a band, I mean.
them. Film them.
What's up, buddies?
The thing that we just pulled into.
Okay, right here. This is it.
Okay.
We're gonna park right here. I can't think of a better place for me at this moment.
Fair enough.
It's gonna be a little bit hellacious, but
Is it gonna be hellacious?
What?
Yeah, maybe a little bit. It's all good.
I like this place.
I don't think this is gonna be all that bad, dude. It's clear right here.
Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, because all that ice that we're seeing out there, it's all really sludgy. So.
Yeah, that I'm not worried about. I'm just worried about this stuff. But
I think if we shoot right through here, it'll hold us just fine. I'll break it out in front of us. We can keep pushing. I say we just try putting it in here, see what happens.
all right,
This is
it's gonna be a
Yeah.
banger.
gonna be
Yeah. Now I don't know how you shoot out of this thing, like what's comfortable, what's not. So you just gotta coach me through it.
We can pretty much shoot directly sideways at it as long as we're seated.
Yeah, I won't shoot above your head. I have to do that with my boat, you know? Yeah, this ain't not even a prayer. How you doing up there? The water's so low though right now that even though this is like, you know, obviously it's cold enough to be freezing, as long as we're, you know, conscientious, we're gonna be fine.
Sucks, I can only reach about 2.5 feet.
Yes, sir.
That's it, buddy. We're into it.
If I didn't know any better, I'd say this is a good time to load the guns.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. There they all go. See them? There's a, well, there's more. There's lower ones. Yep. Now he's gonna cup right into the other ones. 2 of them, 3 of them. You hear them quacking? Those are some resident mulardos, if I didn't know any better. Oh, there's the geese. Okay, so what do we do?
Once we get up there, they'll be past the building, so we can shoot that way, no worries.
Alright. There's a lot of birds in here, my mood. I missed them all. I missed them all, and I got really close to that building. Oh, you killed 2.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Freedom.
So we chose those not shooting.
Nice.
Not
I
too
whiffed bad. I could not plant my gun. Yeah, it's all good. I'm thinking these. I wanted to hit them off the water. Attaboy.
Banded!
No, it's shit. I wish.
What?
I wish.
He's banded, dude.
No, it's not. Nice.
Oh, heck yes. I picked a good bird. Shot like crap.
Oh my god. I gotta kill one. Frick, I shot horrible. I had to have shot over it.
That might have been your bird.
I shot everything this way.
Okay.
I didn't shoot anything to the right. Frickin' banded goose. Are you joking?
Already, man.
Oh, small bird.
Yeah. Yeah, not a lot of size.
Yeah, that's one of the smaller ones I've seen this year. Chuck him in there. Okay, we need to get a couple more now.
Yeah, we do.
Here's
Another band.
what's that? Frick. I just want a goose.
Let's get him a goose.
We got more birds up ahead, and we are going to. I'm not even gonna look at them. It's just like rabbits, dude. If you don't look at them and you walk 45 degrees past them, they just sit. All right, I think we gotta go charge them now.
We'll get your turn. We'll get your turn. Kill him.
Oh,
Got one.
did you really?
Yeah.
Well, your oar is back here.
Oh, shit. Alright, well, let's get that first.
He ain't going anywhere. Son of a bitch.
If we didn't get turned, we would have been good, but we got too far turned.
Okay, why are there?
Go back down. One's still on the ground, dude.
There's 3 on the ice over there, and I think we can freaking knack them.
That one bird, yeah. Want to go after them real quick?
Yep.
As soon as I get that order.
This is called natural selection, fellas.
You loaded?
Yeah, I'm loaded.
Hold on, I'll get up, I'll get started.
Gotcha, buddy. Ready?
Alright, ready?
Ready? Go. Alright, killed that one. Alright, let's go get him. I definitely killed that floater on the water. And I killed that one on
The one on the right.
yeah, the one's still running. Alright, I'll take the crips.
Grab him. Let's go into that trip.
Yeah, we gotta go get them. Oh, fuck. Took out a whole line of cripples. Dude, my bird's banded!
Is it?
Oh, alright, day made. Day made. I cannot believe. I saw this bird and I'm like, nah, he ain't bad. I'm not even gonna check. That would be too good to be true. Crippled bird with a band on it. Oh, dude, he's a sitting duck. Let me have him. Let me have him. Literally a sitting duck. Ready? Woo! Dude, Garrett's out here getting one of these birds, but check this out. Oh, my second band, and our second band in the boat, and Garrett's band is right down there. Meezo Pete. And we still got 3 birds that we got to finish off. So wildlife agencies like the Pennsylvania Game Commission, and then some federal programming like the National Fish and Wildlife Service actually put a steel band around the legs of waterfowl that they catch and release. And then when hunters harvest them, they report the number on the band to the United States Geographical Survey website, and it tells you where your bird came from, how old it is. And you harvesting those bands by random also helps scientists figure out just how many birds are actually being shot on any given year. It's called mark recapture method. So in a population where there's a ton of geese, but only some of them are banded, if hunters hardly ever harvest a banded bird, that means that the population must be growing fast enough that those banded birds are a 1 in a million chance. But in populations that are smaller, banded birds get harvested more frequently. That means that there's not as many birds to choose from for the hunters, meaning the population is actually probably kind of smaller. The scientists use that data from harvested bands in order to learn more about the birds being hunted and how many there are for us hunters to harvest sustainably. Hold on, the legs are up. I want to see. What do you think? No band or band? We are. Luck is, yeah, well, it's still a fun game. Nothing on this leg. I can only see one leg. You get all the fun. No band. Shut the f up. What do you think this bird is? Are you f joking? I'm bound to say that the luck streak is hot.
Yeah, two out of 3 birds that were together were banded.
Oh, it's right here. It's on the shore. No! 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 Yes! Bro! I know that it don't mean to you, but it means to me. Dude, this is unreal. I might not even carry my gun tomorrow. Why the?
I'm gonna call him and ask him how many bands he thinks you shot today.
Just heave right here.
That's probably about the size of the first one. Unless you got some size to it.
I cannot believe all these birds are banded,
Dude, how many bands do you think we shot? Today. Me and Gino. Yep.
Yep.
That's here. You killed 5 birds, 4 bands.
But we gotta get off this river. But that was badass. Like and subscribe. Shoot straight, stay strong. It's cold, and
That's it.
that's it. Out. Film them.
Aww. What's up, buddies? Holy shit! I did not see that coming. Put that in the episode.